Hello traders, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we'll be looking at the best time to trade Forex. Alright, so we all know that Forex market is being traded 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, which is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So despite the fact that Forex is being traded 5 days a week, it's not every of those 5 days a week that is going to be profitable, especially if you're a beginner. So there are three main sections in trading or in forex. So you have the London section, which is European, the American section, which is the United States, and then the Tokyo section, which is Japan. Okay, so these three period are the different time zones that you can trade forex within these 24 hours. Now, the most important part or the most volatile period, the period that you can really make gain if you are trading forex, or the period that you can actually watch out for, is that period that goes from London to America. This period, okay, when London is closing and America is resuming. That's the period that you are likely to make profit or make money or see much volatility in the market. So right now, if let's continue. So London session is most active. It covers many European countries. So now experts believe the best time to trade is from 15:00 till 18:00 Moscow time. Now you will need to convert this time to your own time zone, to the place you are staying. All right. So if you are in Nigeria like me, you can just copy this time and then go to Google and paste it and write convert to Nigerian time. Okay. So now if you do that, okay, let's do it together. If you do that, you are this 15. Moscow is 2 hours ahead of Nigeria. So when they are at their 3 o'clock, this still means 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock p.m. Nigeria is at 1 p.m. So I'm in Nigeria. That's why I would be using Nigeria as an example. So Nigeria is 1 p.m. So during their 3 p.m., Nigeria is having 1 p.m. Now, during their 6 p.m., Nigeria is having 4 p.m. because they are 2 hours ahead of Nigeria. So now, what does that mean? What it means that if you are based in Nigeria and you want to trade within this time where there is where is regarded as the best time to trade, it means you should trade between 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Now you can convert to your own time, whether it's above or below. You understand my point. Now, so despite these days of trading, now let's go over to the best day to trade. Now, it's not every day that you are supposed to trade. Some days are better, especially if you are a beginner. Now, let's say you have Monday to Friday. The best days you can trade is Tuesdays and Wednesdays, especially if you are trading these currency pairs: Euro, USD, Japan, Great Britain pounds, and United States dollar and Japanese yen. Okay, so if you are trading these currencies, these are the best day you can trade them. The best time, the best time, the best time. When I mean the best time, I mean the perfect time. If especially if you're a beginner, is between Tuesday and Wednesday. Between these 2 days, though you can still trade on Thursday, but you see these two days, these are the perfect time to trade. Now, what happens in the rest of the days? Now, for Friday, you can trade till afternoon before before they publish their news for the day or something. Okay, so their performance, their economic performance results comes out. So within this short period, some people are already closing up for the day. So that's why Friday is not really that much advisable. So you can avoid Friday or you trade before their lunchtime also. Now Saturday and Sunday are market doesn't operate that day. Now for Monday, one problem with Monday is that based on the news that came out late Friday, some people are still waiting to react on Monday. So if the news is good, that means it's going to favor the market. But if it is a bad news, that means Monday will not be good. So by Monday, the market is a little bit sluggish because you're trying to understand what's what people are going to do, okay, based on the publication that came out on Friday. So guys, another time you should avoid is banking holidays. When banks are on holidays and Christmas period, all this period that they used to give holiday, you should try to avoid them. Okay, this Christmas holiday you should avoid them, especially if you are a beginner. So in recap, um I'm from Nigeria, and if I'm to trade, I will be trading from 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock. Those are my best period. Now, if which days am I to trade most? I'm likely to trade between Tuesday, Wednesday, and maybe Thursday, and maybe half of Friday. But you see, Monday, I will avoid it, and maybe ending of Friday. So you can totally avoid Friday. You can stick with Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, right? So I think that should be enough for this video. So in my previous video, I've tried to go over different things that you need to as a trader, all right? So this is about the best time to trade. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and we'll see in next one, guys. Right. Catch you.